to resolve by itself only when while executional time. To resolve those problems, we are using recovery scenarios. So these problems in technically in QTP terminology, we are calling it as a trigger events. What kind of problems are there in QTP means one is problem related to pop-up window. Then next problem related to object state, enabled or disabled of the object. Then problem related to test run error. Then application crash. So first we will discuss about pop-up window problem. Let's see. See here. First I'll show you the problem, and those problems are done in different styles, different ways. So let's see. Here first problem is we can make in there may be a problem in test data. There may be a problem in scripts. There may be problem in application. Let's see. There may be a problem in test data. Means see. In general, so this is your application. Keep the tool under recording, Windows, apply and OK. So go to file, open order, order number 5, click OK. Stop recording. Go to view data table. Here what you did here is example orders. Here you are saying 567, by mistake 888 you entered. Then 321. This is the test data which you prepared. Now here I want to parameterize these input data where in data table. So here click on configure button, parameter orders. Now hit the run button. Let's see what happened. First 567 it will work. There is no issues. Here there is a problem. The problem is one order number does not exist which you given in the input data. That's fine. One order number does not exist. Now stop recording. It says object is disabled. Click on OK. Click close. Now let's see. My main point here is if order does not exist, that's fine. I'm asking QTP to work with rest of the things. If anything is not there, you can ignore that one and check it out 321. But it is not checking. It is stopping here only. It is not moving out to the 321. It is just stopping here. Now how to resolve this problem? How to resolve this problem? That is only known as problem related to what? Problem related to pop-up window. So my main point here is I'm asking QTP to move. Anyhow, there is a problem of so and so. You just ignore that one, move on to the next step. Existing, there is a problem, but I want 321 also there or not. Later you are going to resolve it. But while executional time, don't stop in the middle. I'm asking QTP. That process, it has to be resolved and it should move on to the next step. For this, let's see how to do. So there is a problem. Go to resource, recovery scenarios manager. Click it. Select the new scenario. This is the new one. White color icon is there, na? Select it. It says welcome to recovery scenario wizard. Click on next. Here the problem is what? It's not an application crash, it's not a test run error, it's not an object state. It's a pop-up window problem. Click on next. Give the pop-up title. Which pop-up window? Give the title. Click on next. Again just next. Here I'm not going to restart my Microsoft window. There is no function call to call. And here I don't want to close the application process. Here just keyboard or mouse pointer I need to use it. I need to use just one keyboard or a mouse operation. I need to click on it. Click on OK button, cancel button. That operation I have to do. Select the keyboard or a mouse operation. Click on next. Which button? The button with label is OK. Select the OK. Click next. After clicking on this, I want to click other one. Cancel. So again next. Add another one. Add another recovery operation. Same thing, keyboard or mouse operation with label name is cancel. That's it. Click next. Now no need to add other one. Click next. Here I don't want to stop the script line. I don't want to restart the script line. I don't have any two modules here to move. Just next step I want. Next script line I want. No modules to move. And I don't want to repeat it also. Just next step I want. Select the proceed to next step. Click next. Give any scenario name. So I'm giving pop-up. Click on OK. Next. Add to the current test. Click finish. Try to close. It will ask you to save. Yes, I want to save. Here I'm saving it as a pop-up. See. Quick recovery scenario. .qrs is the extension. Only this interview point of question. So recovery scenarios will be saved in which extension means .qrs. Click on save. So where it is saved? If you want to see, go to file, settings, recovery. Here it's got saved. Click on OK. Now hit the run button. Let's see. Now there is a problem. It won't come out of the execution process. Rest of the things it will execute. Then what happened with this error miss? Later we are informing or later we are rectifying. So it is trying to resolve by itself only. Even though there is no script for this. Clicking OK button and all. There is no script for this even though it is working. See, rest of the things it is working. This is called what? This is only known as problem related to pop-up window. Got it? Same steps for another one also. Problem related to object state, whether it is enabled or disabled. See, if any script line is missing, what happened? And this situation only, I told you, in a very rare case, you are going to write the VB script manually. See, now you are going to write the VB script manually. Let's see how to write the VB script means on which situation means. Let's see. Here, keep the tool under recording, Windows, apply and OK. Activate the flight reservation application. File, open order. Order number 5 I entered. Click OK. Stop recording. Example, this script line is missing, dear. This script line is missing. Now this here you are executing this one now. See what happened, observe here. So it says object is disabled. Which line object is disabled? Line number 4th line. Why it is disabled? See. Why it is disabled here? Because that to line number 4 is what? Which option related? Line number 4 is related to which option?
Okay. Okay button.
OK button. Yes. OK button is disabled. Click OK. OK button is disabled now. See, go to Tools, Object Spy, hand icon, click on Cancel. What is the enabled value of Cancel button?
True.
True. Go to hand icon, click on OK button. What is the enabled value of OK button?
False.
False. False means disabled. It has to be what? True. True, right? You need to inform with the language called properties and values language to QTP now. Now you are saying it has to be true. So let's see. Go first one empty library file, and one more thing. If you want to enter something in this text field, how to write the VB script? First you write the VB script. Something script line is missing. Window flight reservation. Here. Window open bracket. Flight reservation. Then
Dot dialog.
yeah. Dialog open order WinEdit edit. Dot dialog open order dot WinEdit edit. Dot set. Any number. I'm entering 8 example. So this input data is missing. This script line is missing. Now open one empty library, open one empty notepad. Go to file, save as. In batch, I'm making it as a t.vbs, Visual Basic Script. Library extension I'm saving now. Click save. Close it. Now let's see. Same thing. Resource Recovery Scenario Manager. Select the new one. Go to next step. The trigger event is object state. It is disabled. I want to make it as enabled. Click next. Hand indicates to hold the object. OK button is disabled. Click OK. Next. 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 Here you are calling one function call. One library file you need to call. I don't want to close the application, restart the window. As well as I'm not going to use any keyboard operation. What is the use here? When I'm clicking also it is not responding. What? No use. So I want to use function call. Click on next. Browse the library file. T you have saved now. This is the library file. See, if you are browsing, click open. Library file, it will ask you to write the script line. Already you created script line. Copy this one. In the middle, paste it. Window, flight, reservation, because there should not be any typo mistakes. Check it out please. Is there any typo mistakes? Dialog, open, ORDER order, WinEdit, edit box, set 8. Okay. Click next. Add another one means no. Proceed to the next step. Give the scenario name as test run. Click next. Add to the current test. Finish. Try to close it. Yes, I want to save. Test run error. Click save. Even though there is no script, it will resolve by itself and it will move on to the next step. See. 8 will get entered automatically even though there is no script line here. It is trying to capture. Somewhere else you have given, from there it will capture. See, order number is 8 is ready. It's got opened 8. Okay, anyhow it will gives the warning only. Why? Because forcibly there is no problem. Trigger events you are using while executional time there is a problem. You move on it. Ignore the error and move on it. Forcibly we are asking QTP. Okay. So go to that library file which you saved it. What happened to that library file which is empty file? How to open library file means right click, open with notepad. See, that script got called here. Whatever you entered, that script is called here. This is called what? This is only known as, if any problem related to object state or any script line is missing, library file first you have to create and you need to call that library file. Okay. Now next concept is important. Commonly used option is input data, and next one is test run error. This is the one. For this you require the two applications. Test run error. Now let's see. Subha, in your systems checkpoints are there?
Yes,
This
Vidya.
checkpoints fine.
Yes.
Okay. Because on that time I missed to check it in your system.
Yes.
So this is one application. Actually it should be version 2.0, but here it gives 1.0. There is a problem. It should be 2.0, but it placed it as a 1.0. Now what you have to do? You are gonna raise the defect. Before raising the defect, before sending to development team, here this is the drop down list which is correct. So I want to capture this data. In future when you are sending the defect to the developer, there may be a possibilities like these defects, there may be a chances to raise the defect here. So to avoid the problems or for future reference purpose only, you are selecting all the drop down list. So correct application only. Sorry. So you are selecting all the drop down list: Chennai, Goa, Hyderabad, New Delhi, Mumbai. Stop recording. Now you raise the defect. You saved the script line in somewhere else location. Now you raise the defect. There is a problem in so and so. Now developer rectified. They released the next build to the testing department. Version 2.2, that's fine. But I want to see the drop down list is there or not. Again manually no need to check. Here 100 list is there. One by one you can't check it now manually. So here hit the run button. Just hit the run button and see. What is the problem? What is the problem? See the script line, see the drop down application, see the error message and tell me.
Hyderabad is not there.
So one drop down list called Hyderabad is missing in the application. Anyhow developer will resolve that one. You have to raise it. But before that I want to see rest of the drop down. 10, 100, 200 list is there. One by one I can't see it. Na? So when I'm if anything is missing, well and good. That's fine. We are raising the concern. But I want to see rest of the things are there or not. For this you are going to use one more option, that is called problem related to test run error. Let's see. Here. Again open one empty library file. Go to file, save as. Here s.vbs, Visual Basic Script. So now let's see. Go to Resource Recovery Scenario Manager. Click on New, Next. Here problem related to test run error, runtime error. Click on Next. And here one item in the list or menu is not found. That is the problem. One item in the list or menu is not found. Click on Next. Next. Again function call, but you are not writing anything. Click on next. Browse the library file, but don't write anything. Next. No need to add other one. Proceed to the next step. Here, test run error. Add to the current test, finish. Try to close this. Yes, I want to close. Click on save. Now open the same application only where there is a missing option of Hyderabad. Now hit the run button. Even though there is a option is missing, it will move on to the next step. No stopping, nothing. This is called what? This is only known as problem related to test run error. Okay. And last option is application crash. Here, what is, yes.
Will it be displayed in the result page?
Which one result, dear?
That Hyderabad is missing, right?
Yes. So Hyderabad is whatever is missing. Is it information is displayed or not? You are asking, right?
Yes, yes.
Here, option is missing, it says. But which option is missing, it won't says. What we are doing? We are asking if anything is not there, skipping. It is skip that one. See, skipping the option. And that options here, rest of the options it is says. So one is Chennai, next Goa. Yeah, here. Yeah, combo one object, but exact name it is not give. So if the option is there, immediately it says Hyderabad is there. And next New Delhi and next Mumbai. So which option is not there? Though which option is missing, it won't provide. That in application build one it is there, na? So anyone is missing, this is the flow you are asking QTP to recognize. Got it? Only combo one dot it says. Next, application crash means, see. This kind of error message, when you are trying to open the application, this kind of error message will display here. If this kind of situations are there, we are rejecting the project. Basically, if application is not even opening, we are rejecting. So only you can do it in real time. That too lead will do in manual testing only. You won't get all the concepts never used in project here. All the QTP concepts. Max 20% is going to use it. So here application crash only in real time you can see. That too in manual testing. That too in manual testing. Very rarely if you are in automation testing, if you identified that, lead will reject the project to testing. Oh, what happened? Yeah, yeah. Lead will reject project to testing purpose. Okay, in real time only you can see that option. In this way, you can see the application crash or application runtime error. So you are not going to do anything in regular works. This is called, if any problems are there in QTP, how QTP has to be resolved by itself. Those problems we are calling it as a recovery scenario. Okay. And next, Next one is regular expression. This concept is important, very simple point, and especially very important interview point of question will be raised here. What is that regular expression means? Here, this is your application. Just observe it and tell me. I'm going to ask one query to you now. Here I went to file, open order. See, I have opened order number 1. I went to file. I hit the fax order. What is the title of this fax order? What is the title?
Fax order number 1.
Fax order number 1. I went to open order. I entered 100. And I went to file fax order. What is the title now?
Number 100.
It's 100. Now what you understand here?
Number
It's
varies
tracing
based
it.
on the input we are giving.
Whatever the input we are giving, whatever the order number we are giving, based on that order number only, dynamically fax order title is getting changed. Means in changes done in properties and values dynamically. Okay, whatever order number you are opening, based on the order number only, title names are changing. Is this point is clear?
Yes.
Fine. So you will get one task. Task is open list of orders and send fax to default fax number. Default fax number. This is the default fax number. Open one order number and send the fax. This is the task which is given. So list of fax, list of orders like 5, 6, 7, 9 example, and send the default fax number to this. This is your task. You are a automation. See. Keep the tool under recording. Now you are doing the task. Activating the application, go to file, order number 5. Click OK. And go to file, fax order. So default fax number is what? 555 555 4 5s. Click on send. That's it. One task is done. Same step for 6, 7, 8, 9 you have to do. That is the main concept here. Default number is there. Stop recording. Here, go to view data table. Your order list is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is your order list you need to send. Okay. Now, for orders only you need to give the parameterization. Here order number 5. Parameter for all. Okay. You have given a parameterization for order list. Hit the run button. See. Order number 5, it is generating now. Now order number 6, it is trying to generate now, but it is not moving. See what is the reason here. Why it is not moving, just see. What is the problem, team?
No fax number.
No fax number?
5.
Fax number 5 is...
Fax order number 5 is missing. We didn't execute that one, right?
We
just
executed
did for
that.
one. We
The
just
mask
did for
red
first
box.
one. That
Yeah.
name that didn't match.
Okay, wait. Satish, what you're saying?
That is not matching with the mask ed box.
Yeah.
There is no
Mask
such
ED
object in
box.
the name of parent.
Okay. Mask ED box is not matching. What is that mask ED box?
That is the object's parent. That was supposed to be the
Mask KD box
instead
is
of
the title.
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 Fax.
Very good. So fax order number
Fax
is there,
order
Nadia.
instead of,
Here,
yeah.
actually, dynamically it is getting changed. Here you can't change the script line. You can change the input data but not script line. Na? There is a problem of this title. How to resolve this one? Number of dynamically properties and values are getting changed in QTP. So now how to resolve? That is your actual concept. What is the problem? Did you understand, all of you? There is a problem of title dynamically getting changed based on the order list. Yes, no, anything?
Yes.
Yes.
So what is this problem is, during the executional time, QTP is unable to identify the window title due to regular changes done in properties and values. Regular changes done in properties and values. To overcome this problem, we are using regular expression. What is the syntax of regular expression? Means here regular expression means ignore all work, ignore the problem. Here title numbers you just ignore, select all here. So syntax is period star, that's it. Period star means select all, dear. Select all. Very, very simple option. Click on OK. Go to resource object repository. You are facing the problem of fax order number 5 here. Here you are facing the problem configure. Here constant value is title is this, delete it. Enter period star, that's it. Click on regular expression, click it. It is asking, do you want to add any other miss? No, I don't want to add. Click OK and close it. That's it, dear. You can't even see is it changed or not. Backend internally in internal settings we did that one. Hit the run button and let's see how it is working. See, 5 is working, that's fine. Now 6 also working automatically. Even though there is no script line on the test pane, you are handling that also. This is called regular expression. See, is anyone using the 10 version in your systems, QTP 10 version? Next concept will works in 10 version of QTP. Is anyone is having that option version of the QTP 10? Why no one is giving the answer? Okay, you are checking.
Yes, we do.
Fine, fine.
No.
Just see anyone systems is there here. How to write VB
Yeah.
script in different technologies. Yes?
Yeah, for me, it's version 10.
Okay. Please wait, dear. After this
Okay.
concept completed, here it will be useful.
Okay.
Okay? See. See. If the project is developed in Visual Basic, then below is the VB script. See. VB script automatically created by QTP, dear. Just if you follow the logic, everything is done by QTP itself. Here, example, this application is this. This is one application, e-name, e-age, submit button is there. Okay. This is one application. If this project or application is developed in Visual Basic technology, how VB script will look? First, I need to activate. Next, I need to enter data here. I need to enter data here. I need to click on here. These 4 steps I need to do. It is a Windows application. So here, Windows, window employee dot activate. Window employee dot winedit. E-name, e-age. Dot set Vidya. WinEdit EH dot set 30. So Windows employee Win button dot click. That's it. This is called what? This is only known as if the project is developed in Visual Basic technology. This is the VB script. Now same application if it is developed in Java technology. Java. What happened? How VB script will looks? Very, very simple, dear. Prefix one word is added. That word is Java. Java window. That's it. Not here. Not Win. It's a Java. That's it. This is if the project is developed in Java technology. Now, if the project is developed in .NET technology, .NET technology. Here prefix SWF they will add. SWF means system window form. If it is .NET. Instead of win, SWF edit box. Prefix only instead of win it is given. Now same application if it is developed in SAP technology. All are not required, and if you record the script line you will get to know. SAP stands for System, Application and Products in Data Processing. Prefix SAP and GUI also it is added. Graphical User Interface. Automatically it is done in QTP. By using recording you will get to know. Here. So this is called for different technologies, and you no need to learn all those things, dear. If you understand one application, remaining all will be the same to same. Okay, even though you are unable to understand. Now one dead easy way is there in QTP. How to write the VB script manually without recording anything. Is it possible? Can we write it? Means yes, you can write it. In 10 version, very dead easy way is given by QTP. So first one, in general, if I am asking you to write the VB script manually, what you will do? First you will write the script. Write the script in test pane. Then add the objects in object repository. Then execute. Run it. In general, this process you will do. Who is having 10 version right now? Is it Divya?
Divya, yes, yes.
Yeah. Yeah, Divya, share your screen now. Click on show my screen.
Yeah, I did, Divya.
Fine. Now open the flight application. Open the flight application and write the VB script manually. What happened? You are unable to open. So try to use external mouse pointer. Yeah, write down. Dialog. Do you
Windows,
know how
right?
to write the VB script?
Yeah.
Then write down.
Windows.
Why window? It is a dialog box, na?
Okay.
It is a dialog box, na, dear.
Okay, okay. If I add can I add that in object repository so that it will be
Why?
easy
That
for
is
me?
the next way, na? Wait. So
Okay.
this concept you should know. So
Okay,
dialog
okay.
login. So when you are writing in this way, here information is not adding because in the object repository you didn't added the information, so it is unable to recognize. You have to type it like this.
Yes. Yeah.
So this is one way. All of you please observe here. This is one way. Now add the objects. Second way. First add the objects into the object repository.
Can I add it now?
Yeah, now you can add it. So already you are doing this process, right?
Yeah.
Third process is what?
Sorry, Divya, what do you ask?
Okay, first add the objects into the object repository. Why you are going for objects by I didn't get it. Go to object.
Add.
Click on add to local.
Add.
Title. Okay, now I understand. You want to go to the object spy to see the properties and values, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Okay, fine. Click OK. Now close the object repository. Now second line, write down dialog. See,
Win.
wait, concentrate
Yes,
on
yes.
test pen. Automatically, QTP is giving the title to you. You no need to type it. Dot, win edit,
Win edit.
open bracket, see. There is two options. You no need to type again. So automatically what QTP is doing? QTP is providing the information. So close the open bracket. It's one of the easy method. Dot set space, enter your name. Now one more dead easy way is there. Open the object repository. Now wait. Password is there, na? Hold the password. Down password. That is
Green one.
the label name,
this
green one.
Okay, okay.
Hold, drag, drop. Drag it and drop it. Drag and drop it into the test pane.
Okay.
Properly you need to hold. Yeah. Drop.
Yes.
That's it. OK button is there, na? Select, hold, drag, drop. That's it. Automatically QTP will create the script line. Got it? Now I'm sharing my screen. Please concentrate here. So one more dead easy way. That is the reason interviewer is not asking you to, do you know how to write the VB script manually? In case if they ask, don't say, I will drag and drop. Like this, don't say, dear. You need to use parent object, child object methods I'm using to write the VB script manually. Way 2 is what? First add the objects into the object repository and write the script. Way 2. And way 3, first add the objects. Yes?
The drag and drop is the only feature left out in 9.2 version?
No, dear. From 10 onwards, they have given an advanced feature. More comfort zone. So, actually, my suggestion to all of you, work with 9.2 only. Because in 10, it is making testers very lazy. Everything is given by QTP. So, to avoid those things, most probably I'll try to ask them to install 9.2 only because they have to practice. In 9.2, drag and drop option is not there.
Okay.
Got it? But advanced one is good. I'm not saying that no, don't use. If it is there, that's okay. But 9.2, you will learn more. That is my point.
Okay.
So add the objects into the object repository. Then hold the object from object repository. Drag and drop into test pane. That's it. Automatically QTP will create. QTP will create the VB script and yeah, 2 minutes please. No need to write the script. Yes, Sadish, tell me.
Can we see the structure of that particular icon that we are dragging, right? So can we see the structure of that one? What script was in that in 9.2 version instead of dragging and dropping?
No, dear, that option is not given. One advanced version is given. In 9.2, it is not there.
So it is possible to view the script what is in that particular icon. Is there a way to view it? No, wrong.
There is no icon. Objects you added, na? That object you are holding and dragging. That's it.
Yeah, that object structure. Can we see the scripts? We can see somewhere it's.
No, structure in the sense properties and values only you can see. But script line you can't see. Nowhere.
Okay, okay.
Okay?
Okay, thanks.
For each and object, values, properties, those you can see it, but nowhere option to see the script line.
Okay, okay, thanks.
Okay, fine. So team, this is called our QTP sessions. With this, we are ending the QTP classes. And don't think that today is the end of the class. No. So I'm going to email you all the scenarios. Practice it. As Teja said, 1 week time you are saying, right? Means on November 1st week you are expecting. So I'm expecting November after first week, means
November 2nd, we can do it.
yeah, November 2nd. Actually, dear, November 2nd means okay. November 1st, 2nd. November 6th is okay?
Yeah, you mean for a doubt section, right?
Yeah, for doubt session. Because this first week, November first week, whole week, I'll be not there, dear. I may not
Okay.
available. So this week onwards, I'll be there. And first
Okay.
to 7th, I will be not there. But this week also, I'm here. From up to the 31st, I'm here only. In this week, if you want, you can arrange. Except 1 to 7, here from 8th onwards, okay, I'm free.
Okay.
November first week, I'm busy, dear. That is, I'm telling.
Okay.
So,
If
Tim, what
everyone
do
is
you say
okay,
now?
we can do it on 31st of October.
Yeah, that's
30th
also
of
fine.
October.
Vidya, actually, we can do 31st of October or 30th, right?
Or will you make it on? Yeah, 30th is okay. But again, 31st night, I'm leaving. So 30th is okay for me.
Okay,
Same time.
so I mean, are you okay with like we can do once in on 31st and the second class on 9th? I mean, if
Uh,
some other guys.
30 is okay, dear, not 31st. This time
No,
I'm leaving.
yeah, I know. 30 on 30th once, one session, and again on November 9th, I'm asking.
Yeah, that's fine.
We
November
can
9th
do that,
onwards,
right?
anytime choice is yours. Any
Yeah,
day. Okay?
yeah. Once
We
we
can
can
have
do on
mock
30th.
interview on that time.
Sorry?
We can have mock interview, right? We
Yeah.
have one more week of time for preparation.
Yeah, that's you decide it. After your doubt session completed, then I will arrange the mock interview.
Yeah, okay.
First you practice, dear. Whatever doubts you are having, clarify it. Again you clarify, doubt clarification after is done. Again one more time do practice. Then you ask for the mock interview. That is the correct way. Parallelly you can apply for the jobs also. Because November, if Max try to get the job in November. Again in December 15th onwards, you know about the vacation. 15, again 15 days you will be hold.
Okay.
December
Vidya,
15th to January 1st, 15 days, your job openings will be not there, dear. Max, I'm expecting from December 15th, I'm guessing, to Jan 1st. After Jan 1st, more job openings will be there. Every Jan 1st onwards, more job openings will be there, dear. I observed these things. From last 8 years onwards, I observed this. That too, I'm getting a circulation in my office now. After 1st Jan onwards, so in US, especially in US, more things, advanced things will be incorporated. So they are hiring more projects, more updates. Some hospitals, they are changing their atmosphere, they're changing their positions. I mean to say places. They want new websites, new softwares. Hospitals especially. So Jan 1st onwards, you will get a more job openings. December 15th to Jan 1st, job openings will be very less. This time, if any openings are not there, no need to worry. Jan 1st, after Jan 1st, you will get more openings. This is, I'm not talking behalf of our consultancy companies. My experience, my company's experience, I'm telling this point.
okay.
Because my company is located in Michigan, that experience I'm telling you. What's going on in my office, that telling you. Got it? Try to get it in before 15 or after Jan 1st. Don't get worry if you're not getting and all. I'm here. Max, my level best, I'll try to support you. Okay?
Yeah, how about the resume preparation and all? So,
Yes, dear.
okay.
After your doubts cleared, na, then you will
Okay.
understand the resume. Because
Okay.
resume means what? All your topics. If I tell you a flat file incorporation and the miss, you won't understand what is flat file if I'm trying to explain today itself in resume.
Yes.
In the subject flat files, where it is given parameterization concept, flat files are there. So if you learn concepts, resume is dead easy for you.
Okay. No. Who is going to prepare resume?
Actually very simple. full format of resume I'm giving. But your concerned marketing team is changing the resume. That's based on your location, maybe based on the job placements in the market and company they are changing. That
Okay.
I'm not aware in how they are changing and what is the process they are using to change your resume and all. So
Okay.
I'm also giving one resume, which
Mhm.
most probably you can work on it.
Okay.
Okay.
They
This
will
is
be
my
sending
interest
all.
only, dear. This cover letter, resume preparation, my interest only I'm providing. They
Okay.
will also give. You don't say that Vidya already have given. Let them give. You can use that
Okay.
also.
Okay.
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 The marketing
Because you'll
people
be
will.
sending all the notes, right? And notes
Yes, dear.
and
Yes, yes. As I'll send
everything.
to you. Yeah.
Okay.
Frequently asked questions.
Then,
Manual. Again, one more time, these complete notes I will release. FAQs of manual, QTP, HR, all individually I have given. Just a basic rough idea I will be get it. My notes is enough, dear. Resume, cover letter, projects, and some test plan sample file. Already I released it, I think so. I will release one more time.
yeah, projects. What kind of project you are going to do?
One is banking, second one is that medical related project. Two projects I'm giving.
Okay.
I'm planning for after in December after in 15th onwards. Monitoring in my company is very less. So I'll try to capture some projects documentations and I'll try to provide to you. I'm not sure, but just possibilities because because of the lead position, I can handle all the projects. I can get it. Last 1 year back, when I am in up to the senior level position, I can't get the projects to my email. Everything is monitored, so dashboards will be there, so
Yeah.
everything is monitoring. I can't get it now. Possibilities are there. I'm trying to get it. If it is possible, some documentation screenshots I will
Okay.
provide to you. Only description you follow.
Okay.
Okay.
Those projects are tested using QTP or any other automation tool.
Only QTP and manual, dear. 90% you have to concentrate on manual, or at least 80%. Only 20% use QTP. Otherwise, more tricky questions will be raised. Even though you got the job in automation, directly they won't assign you in the automation. First they will place you. Till some students they are saying still they didn't assign 8 months already. 8 months are there. 8 months is completed. Still she is in automation only. They're not even moved her into the automation. They selected for automation, but still she is working under the manual process only.
Okay, we
That is
can
in.
put. Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Please go
Okay.
ahead.
We can in our resume we can do all projects. Put all projects in QTP, or we can use any other
No,
tools.
no. Few two projects QTP, two projects manual. Like this, at least
Okay.
3 projects manual, 1 project QTP. QTP is also important, na? So that also you can mention. If anyone facing the problem, if you first you want to enter into the manual, means make it as a knowledge on QTP. And projects worked in
Okay.
manual tester, knowledge in QTP. That is also okay. Or directly you are working in QTP also. That is also fine.
Okay.
First you check it
And
out what job
okay.
openings are there. If they're asking manual tester, means manual with QC knowledge or manual with QC working experience and QTP knowledge. Definitely these three should be there in your resume. Don't put only manual. That will it's not weightage in your project. Only manual is not weightage.
Okay. In real time also we will be working QTP in virtual machine, or it will be in our
No, no,
actual
no.
machine.
No, no. Actually it is installed in your computer only, not virtual machine. In your computers only it will be installed in real time. Okay.
Okay.
Here they because different students are using different computers, Mac, different environments, different operating systems. Keep on, they can't modify the settings, na? So directly they created virtual box and they're installed it in your system. Whole virtual box is installed in your system. And in real time also, you no need to worry. Networking team will install the QTP with the licensed one. Then only you can access. Otherwise you can't access.
This QTP will support the Selenium or any JavaScripts?
No, dear, it won't support.
Okay.
QTP, both are tools, na dear. You need to
Selenium
ask
itself is a
whether,
tool.
yeah, that is itself is a tool, one machinery. Like how QTP, in the same way Selenium also. In Selenium, different projects you are using. In QTP, different technology projects you are using.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Vidya, are you taking Selenium also?
No dear, because I'm not working. Most of the students are asking same thing. At least prepare the notes and send back to me. They are asking, but I'm not getting the time to prepare some documentation. If it is, definitely I will provide to you. I'm preparing very easy way to give the Selenium notes. So I'm preparing it. So once it's done, I will provide to you, but not now. It takes some time.
Okay.
Because some project deadlines are there, around complete 8 months time it will takes to finish it off with my projects. So after that only I can do all the things. I'm unable to manage now because of the designation got changed. That is the reason. Otherwise supposed to take it, but last year onwards work pressures are more to me. Working, class, and taking care of my family, 3 roles a little difficult to me right now.
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
That to be frank, recently I got married here, so that is
Oh,
also one of the main reason. Yeah, around 5 months.
Congrats, Vidya.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah. Thank
Congrats.
you. All festivals are new to me. So in my in-laws, so I need to celebrate all new to me here.
okay.
So,
Wow.
so that too managing all. So I'm not getting a chance, and sometimes I'm not giving the replies to your homeworks also because of that reason.
Okay.
Otherwise, next day only previous students, na 5 months back, I'm telling you, previous students, next day itself, I'm giving the replies. I'm getting a time, but now full busy with family members as well as working as well as taking the classes. Testing is, to be frank, it is easy, dear. Once you get the job, na, you will feel more comfortable over there.
Yeah, Vidya, after attending your class only, we all got confidence, I think. That is
Very
for
good,
sure.
dear, and thank you so much.
Yeah.
Now I'm very confident that I'm going to get mine.
Good, good. That confidence is very important, dear. Anywhere you can work on it. Only the thing is, interviewer is reading your face. If you're making your face as nervousness and all, definitely they're not selecting. Even if you don't know anything, also show up your attitude. To be frank, testing attitude, you just show up. Definitely they will select. That is the simple logic, dear.
So the interview mostly face to face or
First,
Skype?
telephonic round will be there, dear. Telephonic
So
round, and nowadays they are expecting the video call also. Not Skype.
okay,
Some companies' own softwares will be there in a video call.
okay,
Then face to face.
okay.
Vidya,
Okay.
material you provided, right? All these notes. Does it help us to clear ISTQB foundation level?
A foundation level, few more tips, topics are required. If you want, I'm having separate ISTQB notes, dear. I already provide, I'm having that notes. If you want, I will provide that one.
Yeah, can you
But
please?
my notes is not. For job position, it is okay.
Okay.
But yeah, recently one of the student, she got cleared with that notes only. That is enough, I think.
Okay.
Already it
Can
is
you
there.
please
I will
provide
check
me
it
that?
out. And
Yeah,
yes,
yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Vidya, please send that also to everyone. No? It will be useful.
fine, fine. I will send to you. But the thing is, first practice. Don't go with the ISTQB first. First practice, then that notes you can read it. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Ah,
First we'll go through your notes. So after finishing your notes only, then we'll go for that.
Sure, sure. Okay, I will send that file. Recently, I sent 15 days back, I think so. I provided to one student. I will release that one. Maybe after 2 days, I will release. Tomorrow is a festival, na? So
Okay.
little busy.
No
So day after
problem.
tomorrow, I will
Take
release.
your own time. No problem
Vidya,
at all.
Yes, dear.
Vidya, what you suggest we should more practice on manual testing, and we have some knowledge on QTP like that. We have to more think about only manual testing.
No, dear. Based on your technical skills, I'm telling. If you are perfect in both means that's well and good. If you are unable to understand QTP and keep on your thinking about QTP, and you will forget manual. If you feel that I want to be confident in manual first, then later I will see for automation means first practice manual.
Okay, okay.
Something is better, na? If you don't know anything, that will be difficult to you. You can't give any answers. Half mind, don't go to the interview level. At
Oh,
least one phase you practice perfectly. That is
oh,
my suggestion.
okay. Why I'm asking Nitya, because it's my first job. Before that, I didn't have any job, so I am little bit nervous. That's why I'm asking you, okay, what you suggest for
So
first.
yeah, first for you, because everyone is new job only, dear, for everyone. All are non-technical only. So first I'm
Okay,
suggesting you to go for manual first. Let's at least attend the interviews for manual.
okay,
Okay? Then later
mhm,
we'll see.
okay,
Okay?
okay. Yeah, thank you.
Fine.
Vidya, how about
So
database testing, Vidya?
no, dear, no, not required.
No.
Just basic queries you need to execute. Even though if you are using in your resume, I used to work in database testing, means they will ask the queries only. SQL queries will
Okay.
be there, na? They will ask how to select the data from the table. Okay, how to get the particular
Okay.
record from the table. But they won't ask how to create. Testing means database, how you're testing. Whatever
Just the
front-end
syntax
data
we
which
can
you're,
have to see.
yes, just a syntax statements, SQL statements.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
So in the
so
interview, are they going to ask about the other parts of uh, testing, like other teams, like development, why they chosen that particular model, this model,
no,
like that?
no,
They will not ask, right?
no, they won't ask. They
Okay.
never ask because the management has decided, na, they won't ask. That is not decided by the testing team, especially testers also. You won't
Okay.
get that kind of questionnaires here. What you are working, what is your roles and responsibilities, explain.
Okay.
Write the
Okay.
test cases, write the defects. In interview level, I will show you.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So
Thank
team, all the best for 30th doubt session. Prepare well and let me know whatever doubts you are having. So see you on 30th. Okay, 30th is the fixed, right?
Yeah.
Please let me know if
Yes.
anything changes. Okay.
Sure. Also in
Fine.
between, you'll be available in Skype, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I'll be all the
Just for
time. I'll be
small,
available in Skype. You can just message me.
just for
Okay.
small doubts like errors or something in the programming,
Sure.
right?
Definitely,
Just
definitely.
So,
I'll inform you like this time I'll be free. Please message me on that time. You just message me.
sure. Thanks for the help.
Okay, so
No
this is
problem.
the last class.
Yes, dear. This is the last class.
Okay,
we'll definitely miss you,
Yeah,
Vidya.
yeah,
Our daily morning sections.
yeah.
Okay. All the time you just come and ask me, dear. If I'm in a class, I may not reply you, but I'll ask you to wait for 1 hour or half an hour, or I'm about to end the class, please wait. Like this I used to say. Okay.
Yeah.
Tomorrow I'm not available. Day after tomorrow onwards, as usual only I'll be available.
Okay.
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 Vidya,
Okay.
you didn't take the class for me, the quality center. So,
Okay. Quality center means, will you come 1 hour early? In that batch I'm about to start. If it is possible to you.
is in the morning or evening?
This time only 1 hour early you come. Means before the batch also QTP classes are going on. If you want, you can come over there.
Okay, so Monday to Friday, 1 hour early morning, right?
Yeah. You just come, day after tomorrow come to the Skype and message me.
Okay,
I'll let you know.
okay, Vidya.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Or else some other time I'll arrange for you. But if you want, you can come in that timing. Choice is yours.
Okay, I'll try.
Okay, dear.
Okay, Vidya,
So
thank
team, yeah. With this today I'm ending. Day after tomorrow I'll be there in this timing only. If any queries you are having, you just come and talk to me. I'll be free
Yes,
only.
Vidya.
Okay.
Okay,
We
dear.
can make
Bye.
sure
Thanks,
on
Vidya.
Friday next week,
Okay.
October 30th, we can
Yeah.
use the same time, 9 o'clock. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, dear. Bye-bye.
Thank
Thanks,
Take
Vidya.
care.
you.
Okay,
Thank
Vidya.
you.
Happy
Thank you.
Dasara.
Bye.
Hap-
Bye.
yeah, thank
Happy
you.
Dasara.
Happy Dasara to all of
Happy
you.
Dasra.
Bye.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, thank you, dear.
Bye, team.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Take
Bye.
care.
Bye all.
Take care.
Yeah.
Bye all. Good luck.
Yeah.
Thank you.